Okay, I want to introduce myself. My name is.
అదే నేను వెనక్కి పోలరా మళ్ళీ అదే అదే ఘోరం అదే మళ్ళీ ఇట్లా పెట్టుకోవాలా
I'm passing BU in 5th semester Computer Science Department in Anand Panchpet.
నా ఫ్లో
It's a technical topic.
ఛార్జింగ్ ఉంది బాగా దాంట్లో మళ్ళీ దీంట్లో ఎందుకు ఆపరేషన్
Okay, my contents will be. So just listen to it. My contents will be. What is coding? How to learn coding? Should you be paying too much or learn code? What is the importance of competitive code? Now, before going to next topic, I want to answer somebody what is coding. Coding. What is coding?
అదే
Coding means feeding our commands in the computer that the language that computer understands. So how we will understand the language, but computer won't understand those languages. So we write the command what computer will understand. So in that language we give the input for the computer. So that is called coding. Now coding is a method to communicating with the computer. So now you know Alexa. How we are coming? It's artificial intelligence. It is also one type of coding. So think about how everything is going on. Don't need only studies, scoring, won't important in the life. Just learn how the things are going on. Coding is also important. Coding, I also want to tell you something. Coding is not for only CSE department. It is for every department, even mechanical, EC, civil, whoever it is. Because for civil, if they want to design something, they will go for the coding in a system. Mechanical also, for designing of machine, they will go for the CAD. And EC also for Verilog XPR. Means if you want to design electrical circuit, how to go for the coding. So coding is not confined for the computer science department. So it is confined for everyone. So coding is a new literacy. Not how a normal language is going on. It is also one type of new literacy. And no, you should not miss the chance to learn code, because coding is a booming in the market nowadays. So coding is a new hot topic, as everyone wants to get involved with the programming for the future. If you want to be a good place in the future, learn coding, because it will be helpful at all. One more point, because it will be useful for you only. Your wish, I can say by experience. So now go to how to learn coding. There are so many resources for you. You can learn from textbooks. If you refer from library, there is RS Bichkar book, University Press 2012. You can get C language, or you can get so many coding with C. There are so many books available in library. You can refer so many Java, coding with C. So many books you can available. If you wanted information from the website, there are W3 schools, Greek for Greek, tutorial points. You can get more information from those websites. And if you want a video tutorials, you can go. There are so many platforms like YouTube, Udemy, Great Learning. You can go through the. How to pay for those? It's all our free websites only. So coming to the next topic. Should you be paying to watch or not? There are so many websites here. If you want to watch they give one instruction to you. They will frame one instruction for you, and you can pay. You can get the instruction. But no, if you are still in first year, you have so much of time in your hand. So for this question, I can say as my example. So when I came to this college in a BE first year, due to Corona, we missed the C cycle. It's a true fact. Now we got to start learning C cycle in the second BE in our own way. So we started finding the resources from our Googling, YouTube. different websites. So what we find now, so just you have to give so much of time. If you given so much of time, you will create so much of resources. Now while we doing now, we are getting the solutions from everybody. It's the best way. Still now I am saying now, it's the best way to learn the code or coding, whatever it may be. Just self preparation or self. Can't say the word.
Okay, carry.
So okay, give considerable amount of time, because how much you give time now, you can get that much resources, you can solving the solution, you can get how much knowledge you want. And no, don't do mistakes. No one is perfect. Do mistakes, repeat. No, again, don't repeat. How many times you repeat now? Just remind it and do again, and one day you will get the success in the code. Not only coding, in your life also. Do mistake also, nothing wrong, because no one perfect in the life. No, but don't force yourself to study something like that. It's your interest. You have to put your own efforts to learn something or anything. So next, coming to the next point, what is the importance to be a competitive coder? If you want to go for the big companies, like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, so they have already built it in infrastructure. Like they built it on structure. What they need now, they want to upgrade it and they have to maintain it. They are looking for that people. Now daily they got thousands of applications. So what they will do, they go for the competition. So in a competitive question, if you solve the problems, so they have idea that how the student is thinking as a problem solver. They are thinking as a problem solver. If you are given the solution for the problem, they will get to know that problem solver. Just give them a solution like that now. Do problem, solve it, and give it to them only. Because they will only want who solve the problem, not create the problem. They need only who will be maintain their infrastructure and upgrade itself. Now, so before going to end of the session, one quote I want to tell. So I think all are know about Rudra's main one. He said only thing. I don't focus on the selection process. That is the advantage of playing under Mahima. He says focus on the right thing. The process is right, one day it will be happen. So just thinking about the process, not about the selection of company, doing of business. Just first focus on the process, how you are going, how you are thinking, how you are maintaining your business. So learn the basic. What you will start from zero to 100. Whatever you start from zero, and you will definitely get the success. Thank you for everyone.